Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel, dear viewers. In my last video, I have discussed about the punctuation marks and it was the first lesson of the punctuation marks. Today, I would like to conduct the second part of the punctuation marks and it is special for colon and semicolon. If you have not watched the first video of the punctuation marks, please click the I button and watch the first video. Let's have a look.
Dear students, let's meet colon and semicolon. Do you know how they are used in written English? Let's listen about their usage. Hello, learners. This is colon before you. I am used to introduce a series of items and direct speech by name. Example: I want the following items: butter, sugar, and flour. Good morning, doctor. Good morning, Samia. Use colon or semicolon where necessary. When and where do you use capital letter? For all proper nouns and adjectives derived from proper nouns. Example: Mr. Samat came from Thailand. He likes Chinese dishes. For God and for the pronoun relating to him. Example: we pray to God for his blessing. For personifying an object. Example: oh death, where is thy icy hand? To write the title or designation. Example: the headmaster, the principal, the president. To write the name of the books. Example: we enjoyed reading Hamlet. For historical periods, events, days, or months. Example: the French Revolution is a significant event in history. Mr. David was born on Sunday, 12 July 1990. For subjects related to language but not for other academic subjects. Example: students in the school love reading English. Dear students, make capital form of the appropriate letters in the sentences. Put the punctuation mark correctly in the following sentences.